Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how canned corned beef is made. First, select quality beef cuts, typically brisket or rounds, and trim them carefully. Next, prepare a curing solution, often called brine, which contains salt, sugar, and various spices like bay leaves and peppercorns. The beef is then submerged in this brine, allowing it to cure for several days. This crucial step gives corned beef its distinctive flavor and pink color. After curing, the beef is thoroughly cooked until it becomes incredibly tender. This cooking process often involves boiling or steaming the meat for several hours. Once cooked, the beef is allowed to cool down before being prepared for canning. It is then either shredded into fine strands or diced into small, uniform pieces. A small amount of the cooking liquid is often mixed in to maintain moisture. The prepared corned beef is then carefully packed into metal cans. Each can is filled to a precise weight, commonly 12 ounces, ensuring consistent product size. Before sealing, air is removed from the cans, creating a vacuum. This step is vital for preserving the meat and preventing spoilage. Finally, the cans are hermetically sealed, creating an airtight environment that keeps the corned beef fresh for extended periods. Once sealed, the cans undergo a critical sterilization process, typically using high temperatures and pressure. This ensures that any remaining bacteria are destroyed, making the product safe for consumption and giving it a long shelf life. After sterilization, the cans are cooled and then labeled, ready for distribution and storage. For more great insights, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. You can find a link to this book and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious canned corned beef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.